Greetings. My battery went dead the other day on doing pit number 1, so I'm going to start with pit 1, go over the answers, and then show you a little bit about a clinometer, and then we're going to observe some more pits. After you get done recording the info on pit 1, there's no more to record and turn in. The rest of this video is for educational purposes. So let's see how well this works. Upper right hand corner, you got pit number 1. We're doing 3 horizons. We're going to a profile depth of 48 inches and nail depth says 20 inches. Normally that's in the 3rd horizon, but to make life a little easier here, I put that in the 2nd horizon. As you can see, we walked through there, we only found 3 horizons here. We had an A horizon, a B horizon, then a second B horizon. So write this down. You got 15 inches to the bottom of the first of the A horizon, 30 to the first B, 48 to the bottom of the pit. Just put dashes on the distinguishing. We used the 10YR on all of these. The surface was a 2-1. First B horizon was a 4-2. Then the third one was a 5-4. That first layer was friable. It fell apart. It was a silt loam and granular. The second layer was firm. In other words, it held together pretty good because it was a silty clay loam and it was subangular blocky. Then that third layer was firm, also a silty clay loam, very similar. It was just a little lighter in color. The blocks were a little bigger, and that was an SBK. Now I'm going to turn this over. Give me a second here. Now, I tried to explain when I was digging down through that profile. The only thing I found was different variations of silts and silt loams, and all loess material, no pebbles or rocks. So the only parent material was loess, which makes the landform a loess hill slope or plain. Ours would be a plain because it's level. And the slope was about 0.5%, so it'd be 0 to 2. And I dug down through there. There was plenty of an A horizon, 15 inches, so none to slight on the erosion. And I don't know if you can see this here. You'll have to look at your card. We found some grays there between 25 and 50 centimeters or 18 to 30 inches, so it was somewhat poorly drained. That's all we're going to do with the back of that card. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on this stake here, and I'm going to play with my clinometer and try to explain how to do this. And so just kind of bear with me. Sorry about that, I got to go get my clinometer. Let me get the camera set first. I'm going to zero in right on that slope stake there.